Hello, I am Graciela Gonzalez for monoDrive, and this is a short tutorial about how to use the LabVIEW Client to change the map using the monoDrive High Fidelity Simulator. I'm going to use the closed loop example to switch between the pre-built maps on the monoDrive scene editor. Let's run the simulator. Click play. Then, with the Almono test track selected, hit run. Then, the client will connect to the simulator and load the selected map. From the drop-down, select the next map. As you can see, it will load the map selected, in this case, highway track. I'm gonna keep doing this with all the maps. Notice that for each map, we have specific start locations that you can select from the vehicle start position. This specific map, the TCD map, is a great example how can you leverage the monoDrive simulator to create a dataset, in this case for traffic signs. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For more information, please review https://monodrive.readthedocs.io. See you next time.